here from Red Heart. I'd like to show you the scrubby yarn that sparkles. This scrubby yarn has extra shine and looks like it's ready to have fun. Its name is Scrubby Sparkle. You can see that the bright range of colors makes you feel festive and ready to celebrate. Scrubby Sparkle is uniquely textured with a sparkle effect to give a bright, happy note to your knit and crochet projects. Its texture and look makes bath time more fun for kids and is great for encouraging kids to help with the dishes. Scrubby Sparkle is a number 4 medium weight texture polyester yarn that's also great for crafty projects. We like to use Scrubby Sparkle for kid crafts and holiday decorations, no knitting or crocheting necessary. Each 3-ounce ball of Scrubby Sparkle has about 174 yards of yarn. For more information, go to redheart.com. To view all of our available products, search Red Heart Yarns.